Hey everyone! Today we're talking about Anbernic RG35xx and the R36s. One is the refined king of build quality and the other is the absolute champion of value. Today we're putting them head to head to see which one belongs in your pocket. Let's dive in. 1. Build quality and comfort. First up is the hand feel. The Anbernic RG35xx feels like a premium product. The plastic is thick, the buttons are quiet and pillowy, and the overall finish is top tier. The R36s, on the other hand, feels a bit more clicky and hollow. However, it has a massive advantage for some, such as dual analog sticks. If you want to play PS1 or N64 games that need those sticks, the R36s has them built in, whereas the base RG35xx is D-pad only. 2. Display and visuals. Both devices use a 3.5-inch IPS display with a 640x480 resolution, which is the golden ratio for retro gaming. The RG35xx usually has a warmer, more color-accurate calibrations right out of the box. The R36s uses a fully laminated screen that is surprisingly bright and sharp for its price. Though some units can have a slightly cooler bluish tint, honestly for GBA and SNES games, both look fantastic. 3. Performance and emulation. This is where it gets interesting. The R36s actually packs a more powerful processor. It handles N64, Dreamcast, and some PSP games significantly better than the original RG35xx. The RG35xx is a beast for everything up to PS1, but it struggles once you hit that 3D era. If you want the Anbernic quality with the R36s power, you'd have to look at the Plus or H models, which cost a bit more. 4. Software and ease of use. Finally, let's talk about the OS. The RG35xx is famous for Garlic OS. It's simple, fast, and makes the device feel like a dedicated toy. While the R36s usually runs Arc OS. It's much more powerful and customizable, but it can be a bit intimidating for beginners. Both devices come with garbage SD cards, no matter which one you buy. Your first step should be copying the games to a reliable brand name card. And that's it. If you want the best build quality for 2D classics, go Anbernic. But if you want the most powerful for the least amount of money, the R36s is unbeatable. I hope this helped you out and I'll see you in the next one.